So far, I don't see the heavy follow through, 3 lows there, and just about, and we're already back up here above. I'm beginning to think this is more of a buy than it is a sell. So let's see if we can get a. It would look to me like there should be another move up towards the high. Now that the session is open, that's what I'm looking for at least. So whether or not we can get back up here above this 75 level, I don't know. If so, I think we're going to be looking for a spot. Excuse me. 75 now. Okay, let's see. Yeah, but pay above 75 by unit if you can. Pay 6 on the unit, and if you can, get a stop in underneath the low right away, which is 60. You put a stop in to sell unit below it at 66, and get your first unit in place at 84.76. As soon as you have that filled, and you should be filled now, get your stop in below at 84.66. How about that? Okay, enter again. Wherever that is above there, pay 85 up above. I'll stop. Pardon me. And as soon as you do, get the stop bumped up to the right amount. Great, should be filled on a second unit. And move your stop up and move it all the way up to break even. And that was a little, we could have added another time there, but bring your stop up now to, I would say, bring it on up to 87. Pardon me. I'm a little rough here. Well, yeah, that would have been the logical spot. Yeah, I think we're going to just leave this as a 2-unit trade. I was not quick enough, and the first ad was a bit close, and having this next one be close also is not as well. Who knows? You know, you never know when it's going to work and when it's not going to work. So. And we're backing off, though, right away. Well, maybe this is all there is. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Okay, we just got filled. We're out. Good job. Good trade. But this looks like it's just a 3-wave rally. And if that's a 3-wave rally, we could break big time here. So if we're going to break, you get a stop in here. Sell a unit at 84. If you can get a stop in, sell a unit at 84. 1 unit at 84. Actually, we're already there. I suppose it should have been. Well, 84 is still fine if you got it in there. Otherwise, put it in at 83. And get a stop above the high right away. A buy stop above the high for the unit in place. And looks like we're going to break again. How about that? That was a 3-wave rally. And we may put in another move like we did earlier coming into the 730 low. At least that's what I'm thinking here. Whether or not we actually get it or not, that's anybody's guess. And I want to give this one a little bit more space though, because we came down, we went through those highs really easily without any problem at all. Huh. Okay. Let's see. So our current low is below the current low. Current low is below the current low. Add a second unit at 84.75. Sell a second unit at 84.75. That's a tick below the low that we just made, and yeah, still it's 9 ticks apart from the first one, so we really don't want to see this move. Bring your stop down to bring it down to 87, so we're not risking too much on this. There's not really much of resistance at all anywhere except up at the high. Obviously we may have just met support down here. Not sure. But we had a profit on the other trade, even though it wasn't very long, it wasn't very big, but we had a small profit on the second unit, but a reasonable profit on the first unit. So if we play this one real close and get stopped out here, well, we're talking about 3 ticks on a 3 lot for the 3 lot traders, and 3 ticks on a 5, and a 2 lot for 2s, and for those trading 1s, you're risking 3 ticks, $30 plus transaction costs. So this could be reasonable. I would think though that we're going to come down and get below the 70 low that we rallied up from, and then if we can get there, then we go below the 60, or we at least hit the 60 and go below to have a comparably sized move as we saw from earlier in the day, and that would be very sizable if we did. That would be a very good profit. So are we going to do it or not? Let's be patient here. It's not always a good idea to move a stop in this close. There's really not much room at all for this thing to breathe. We get any kind of bounce here before going lower, and it'll take out our first unit. So we seem to have stalled out here. You can see that there we go. There we go. We just got filled on the second unit. So bump your stop up to both units now. And now, yeah, now you can bring it down. Might as well bring it all the way down to 84. Just a few ticks more. Bring it down to break even now. Good job. Good job. And let's see here. Good. We're right down at the. We're through it. We're through the 70 level. Obviously, that upper 60s, all the way down to 65. We like that. Okay. All right. Just below this last low, let's add another unit. Add a third unit. I guess that's going to be, I know it's, 58? Add a third unit at 58. And bring your stop down a few more ticks down to, just below that spot we broke from, so that'd be 77. And We could get a fast bounce off this if we don't go, because we're just sitting at the prior low that we made earlier at 730. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, great. Bump your stop up to all for 3 units, and bring it on down to 56. Great. That's a good trade. We've got a good profit in this already. Great. And let's not add anything more at this point. And as you can guess, if we break through these lows, having said that, we may come right up, get stopped out right now. But if we go through these lows, what we're going to do is we're going to bring the stop down to sort of the middle of the low 40s, probably 44, 43, somewhere in that area. Oh, great. Bring your stop down to 44, and it's really begun to move in our favor here. This is great stuff. Great. And down to the mid-20s already. Mid-20s. You can see how this last move really sort of extended itself. And there really, I don't know what there is here to I really don't know what there is here to stop us from taking out the low again. However, let's not give away everything we got. And now bring your stop on down to just below 40. Bring it down to 39. You stop down to 39. So that's a little bit of room, maybe not enough, not quite enough room above. This is the longest congestion, counter-trend congestion that we've seen in this move, so maybe there's another move up here that's going to come fish our stop. Thought we got a pretty good trade on here on average price. We'll get nearly 40 ticks out of this, which is really good on 3 units. That's great money. We want to, if we could make sure we had stuff like that all day long. The pain is sitting through the scratches and the losers. All right, here we go. So, what is that? A 1 tick low, a 1 tick new low. Well, let's see. Bring it on. Bring your stop to 70, to 7, to 37. It's just a tick above where we were, and it gives us a nice round number for having from our average price, I guess. So yeah, we could get a bounce right here. We made a 1 tick new low and immediately bounced right off back up to the high congestion, and we are filled. We're filled, but good trade. We made reasonable money. We had all 3 units in place. Good job. Now let's be focused here. Are we supposed to be long?